Father who art in Zion. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in Zion. Give I night this day, I night daily bread. And forgive I and I trespasses. As I forgive them who trespass against I. Lead I now to no temptation. But deliver I from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory. For Ivor and Ivor, John.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
To be who we're supposed to be, but we are who we are, and that's the way that it's going to be. They don't want you seeking for the truth, and it's hard to find it hidden right in front of you. Going to be, they don't want you seeking for the truth, and it's hard to find it hidden right in front of you. And they're showing us to fight through every struggle. Never ever let them put you in a bubble, and the brimstone will rain from our fire.
Rastafari is hearing our prayer each day, regardless of our faith. And even though so many of his children stray, our good deeds are never wasted. And so believe it or not, you're special in your own way, and your existence is a must. Within the heart of Jah, everyone has their space. Even the dogs serve a purpose. All looks are deceiving you. Now don't you underrate yourselves, no. All looks are deceiving you. Now don't you underrate yourselves. Then I said, angel, the world is such an ugly state. How will we make it out? Man and woman seem to certainly have lost their way. Our little hearts are full of hatred. Now we're topics that we're weighing over our heads.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar. Oh no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long. We can praise God in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long, and I'm hoping that you sing my song, my song. I've been on this road for way too long. I've been hoping that we all get along. These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar. Give God the thanks and praises. I've been on my own, but we ain't never left alone, long. And if I'm telling you the feeling is wrong, relax a little, friend, this won't take too long. And when you're feeling alone, you can call my phone. Is there a better way to go? Teach them something before they lose the song. Oh, no, no, no. Freedom is the road. Oh, no, no, no. Coming in from the cold.
They say this song, and it ain't for all.
Hey, DJ Sedan.
But I hear some people world get that by shining tall.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar. Oh no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long. We can praise God in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long, and I'm hoping that you sing my song, my song. I've been on this road for way too long. I've been hoping that we all get along. These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar.
Rastafari.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go. It's the African baddest DJ Sedan.
My sweet Lord, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna see you. I really wanna see you. I really wanna see you, Lord, but it takes so long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna know you. I really wanna go with you. I really wanna show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna see you. 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 But it takes so long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord.
thinking whiskey or Cabernet. Let me get it, let's get drunk on a weekday. She said, I know I don't say enough, but I swear I love you and just from the buzz. She said, I don't know what to do if I didn't have you. I said, I think about that every night and every morning. I fall all over again and again, and you don't even know it. Baby, if you're wondering when you hold me, if I still feel forever only, every night and every morning. I can see us in 50 years, rockin' pointed west, rockin' chair. 'Cause baby, some love never fades. Baby, some things never change. Every night and every morning, I fall all over again and again, and you don't even know it. Baby, if you're wondering when you hold me, if I still feel forever only, every night and every morning.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
Said, baby, how was your day? Did you call your mama? Is she okay? Are you thinking whiskey or Cabernet? Let me get it, let's get drunk on a weekday. She said, I know I don't say enough, but I swear I love you and just from the buzz. She said, I don't know what to do if I didn't have you. I said, I think about that every night and every morning. I fall all over again and again, and you don't even know it. Baby, if you're wondering when you hold me, if I still feel forever only, every night and every morning. I can see us in 50 years, rockin' pointed west, rockin' chair. 'Cause baby, some love never fades. Baby, some things never change. Every night and every morning, I fall all over again and again, and you don't even know it. Baby, if you're wondering when you hold me, if I still feel forever only, every night and every morning.
Oh, na 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 na. Hey, DJ Sedan. Let us be the change we wanna see. Speaking words with action in devotion ain't gonna be televised. Remember where your priorities lie, 'cause there's no giving in, only the chance to try. Up and up we go.
Now greetings to the world, voice to the one called Skip Marley. Alongside the lion in the jungle. Big Bangzilla, the youngest uncle. I know you're drunk in power, brother, that's not juice. I see you chasing meals, my brother, that's not food. When the banana peels, I tell you that's not fruit. Another brother shot down, but that's not news. Don't you fall from grace, brother, don't throw it all away. A wise man used to say, money ain't life, so take it easy. Tell me that's not true. 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 You're lying with the liars, baby, that's not you. The way you're never smiling, baby, that's not cute. I see he got you crying, baby, that's not smooth. The chaos and the violence, baby, that's not cool. Don't you fall from grace. No way. My love, don't give your heart away. No way. A wise man used to say, she's amazing, show me easy. Tell me that's not true. 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 Legend. Bob Marley compilation. Rasta man in a vibration. A indie in a my nation. With them. All them end up I use his lies. Them just talk and scrutinize. A boy gone in for violation. Legend. Bob Marley compilation. Rasta man in a vibration. Just indie in a my nation. With them. Legend. Hey, tell them. Exodus, Bumbleclaw, you can't stand next to us. Some attack and plan, one gets discussed. Babylon, them gone, one get the bus. If I want thing we learn from the Bible, can't even trust your disciple. When idol them turn to rival, confrontation uprising survival. We lost William on my arrival. Zimbabwe them catch a prey. Accra, Lagos, Nairobi, Royal. Addis Ababa we free. Ali them can't conquer way. The most I can't get no higher. Not the dread burning the kaya. The whole place it must catch a fire. Legend. Bob Marley compilation. Rasta man in a vibration. I indie in a my nation. With them. All them in up I use is lies. Them just talk and scrutinize. A boy gone if a violation. Legend. Bob Marley compilation. Rasta man in a vibration.
Maybe it's the trees or the cool breeze keeps me coming here. Is it the riversides or the countrysides? No place can compare. 'Cause every time we go abroad, can't wait for come yard. Miss the people and the love, oh yeah. Standing on the waterfall, listening to a reggae song. Let me show you where I'm from, oh yeah. Welcome to Jamaica, oh, feel the vibes so nice to touch down. No place like Jamaica, oh, no vibes so love to sundown, yeah. There's a mystic in the air. Promise once here, you never wanna leave. Welcome to Jamaica, Jamaica, maybe it's the beat that I'm feeling in my chest when I hear that music play. Maybe it's the mountains that tower over me. I just can't say away. I swear every time we fly, one thing upon my mind is the people and the vibes, so yeah. Can we dance tonight away and make the music play? Let me show you where I'm from, oh yeah. Welcome to Jamaica, feel the vibes so nice to touch down. No place like Jamaica, no vibes so love to sundown, yeah. There's a mystic in the air. Promise once here.
Mount Zion. King Irae Selassie first, the King of Kings, he is the conquering lion. King Irae Selassie first, all praises be to His Majesty. King Irae Selassie first, the wonderful counselor is the Prince of Peace. King Irae Selassie first, the Rastaman Shadan, him still Shadan. His own divine majesty still live on. Me tell you, be meek and joy will come in the man. In a Jah army, Jah a chief in a command. No one who was beyond or beneath the earth was worthy. Rastafari govern Irae from the age of 13. Then crown him king of kings in 1930. 72 nation witness this energy. And who is he who sit up in Mount Zion? King Irae Selassie first, the King of Kings, he is the conquering lion. King Irae Selassie first, all praises be to His Majesty. King Irae Selassie first, the wonderful counselor is the Prince of Peace. King Irae Selassie first. Red, here as pure as one, garments dipped in blood. God in a flesh did same one, me say we caused the flood. There will be no sub, the throne could not be touched. Greater David, greater son, blind of Solomon, Queen Omega at his side, true divinity, man, woman and child, power of the Trinity. Emperor Selassie, I could never die. Who is he who sits up in Mount Zion? King Irae Selassie first, the King of Kings, he is the conquering lion. King Irae Selassie first, all praises be His own divine majesty. I'm a little big country, I'm a little big reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me Irae. 'Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae. Music hits in many different ways, so let the rhythm come and show you who you are. Don't force the move, just get into it. It doesn't matter where you are. Hawaii, California, Jamaica to Minnesota. Come and let your sweet vibes flow. Nashville to Samoa, Mesa, New Caledonia. It doesn't really matter where we go, 'cause I'm a little bit country. I'm a little bit reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me Irae. 'Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae. You see, it only feels right. You put your whiskey on ice and then you pass me the challenge. I burn it up because I want it. Well, I know I can refuse it. So DJ, don't abuse it. Let it hold me. Let it show me. Let it be all the things it's supposed to be. 'Cause I'm a little bit country. I'm a little bit reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me Irae. 'Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae.
And that's a life when I promote the highest of level. So we just burn them evil concept, because we say that is a destruction to the humanity. That's what I say.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
Hey, check this, check. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them want fit on it in a cowboy town. We look and know. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them have it on it in a dead man town. Oi, them think them reach the ultimate, yo, but them no reach nowhere yet. Oi, them get caught in the internet. Of society, I tell me them my intellect, them promote too much dead. Wanna look and go, Jaja City, Jaja Town, them a turn it in a bad man town. Oi, wanna look and go, Jaja City, Jaja Town, them have it on it in a cowboy town. Oi, Marcus Garvey say, love is the only solution, can stop a revolution. Just freedom meditation from war and illusion. Love is the only solution that can stop a revolution. Just freedom meditation from war and illusion.
His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord loved the gates of Zion more than the dwellings of Jacob.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
Hey, DJ Sedan.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
It's a demonstration part of the world.
Africa, the heart of the world.
We showers off from blessing mama, water the earth.
Africa, the heart of the world.
From allow the youths never shot at the herb.
Africa, the heart of the world.
Zambezi, Zambezi. Free up your mind in a this. Yell Emperor Selassie, I divine in a this. Me roots and me culture, me find in a this. 13 months sunshine in a this. Zimbabwe, you are the bread basket. And Nigeria, you have the best market. Civilization, I start it. Give me the microphone, I read it, me ready for chant it.
Africa, the heart of the world.
It's a demonstration part of the world.
Africa, the heart of the world.
We showers off from blessing mama, water the earth.
Africa, the heart of the world.
From Allah, we use always a good herb.
Africa, the heart of the world.
Anthony B and the world rebirth rhythm sending one love to the human race. It's a reggae vibe production. Please don't judge I for the color of my skin when you look at my face. Them say me walk different and talk different. Just because I'm black, them say me look different and act different. Just because I'm black.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari. Oh, and I Father who art in Zion. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in Zion. Give I this day, I daily bread. And forgive I trespasses. As I forgive them who trespass against I. Lead I not to do no temptation. But deliver I from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory. For Iva and Iva. Jah.
Anthony B and the world rebirth rhythm sending one love to the human race. It's a reggae vibe production. Please don't judge I for the color of my skin when you look at my face. Them say me walk different and talk different. Just because I'm black, them say me look different and act different. Just because I'm black. As them see me, them style me as a criminal. Just because I'm black. If them not talk, them do it subliminal. Just because I'm black. Still I'm gonna shout it loud. Said I'm so black and proud. I'm so black and proud. Stand up in any crowd and say I'm so black and proud. I'm so black and proud. Remember Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. They are all so black. Tupac and Peter Tosh. They are all so black. Remember Martin Luther King and Malcolm X. They are all so black. Remember Mandela and Emperor Selassie. They are all so black. So I'm gonna shout it loud that I'm so black and proud. I'm so black and proud. Stand up in any crowd and say I'm so black and proud. I'm so black and proud.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
You put out, be aware of what you're taking in. Don't wait until things start it evaporate before you realize the mess creating. Prevention is better than cure. Protect yourself like you want to live. Yes, things and times are not like before. Disease and body guns, so many of our youths getting killed. In these times, can be good is best be careful. In these times, you have to be smart. In these times, you can be good is best be careful. In these times, you have to be strong.
That day I lost you, mama, cried and I cried. I'll see you again in time. Someday to come. I miss my mama, everything about her. I miss the stories that she used to tell. I miss my mama. I miss her laughter. No one can tell me she wasn't an angel. The only friend when I go leak a secret. No matter what they say, she'll always keep it. A mind of a warrior, heart of gold. Jesus, you are so lucky she gave you her soul. She was my therapist in testing time. Police tell her me a killer, she said not my child. Her love for me was off the grid. Mama Viva, you believe in me. I miss my mama, everything about her. I miss the stories that she used to tell. I miss my mama. I miss her laughter. No one can tell me she wasn't an angel. Come no, no dirty, no, no dirty, no, no dirty. And we gon' show you everything you need to do. Feeling good when I give all my praise to you. Nobody that can ever take me from you. And I could bring you to the light from the darkest room. Don't let them feed you to the sharks, oh no, no. But in this world, everybody plays a role. And I'm just here to make sure you don't sell your soul. Please don't sell your soul. And it's worth more than treasure and gold. And the message never changed, but the messenger. Oh, we're running through the flame. Check the temperature. And I just wanna give all my thanks to God every day. And I just wanna give all my thanks to God in every way.
Make sure you know that we're gonna always strive for perfection so we can shoot for the moon and land on the stars every
And we
day.
gon' show you everything you need to do. Feeling good when I give all my praise to you. Nobody that can ever take me from you. And I could bring you to the light from the darkest room. Don't let them feed you to the sharks, oh no, no. But in this world, everybody plays a role. And I'm just here to make sure you don't sell your soul. Please don't sell your soul. And it's worth more than treasure and gold.
Shot fire muscle song, we are now. We don't deal with politics, Edward Tiaga. World boss free. I make him the Gaza. Big dirty ratchet clip banana. The sniper them want shot you from the veranda. Built in your face, I see your favor, iguana. Also with Italy, don't have Piazza. Make money in my shop, down at the plaza. Everybody don't move, I also don't know that unless I want die. Everybody's got to when they see how the shot fly. Two more shot at the boat, can't defend it, no I try. Me if I ready to Sedan, shot on the Wi-Fi. Now the bully them look you, coming like sci-fi. Shut in front of your friends, tell the whole of them bye-bye. All of them are watching spirit, floating them sky high. Your family about, tell the whole of them I dry. See how we all on every rubber and the semi and the rest of them are automatic. When you see me gangster, them I pull up everybody, see them, say them boy they problematic. Check the tap on your wristwatch. You know see how them boy them a come on a fling shot. Clap in your kidney blood and lick on your piss spot. Shot to make a gun shell, sending a gift shot. Feeling good when I give all my praise to you. Nobody that can ever take me from you. And I could bring you to the light from the darkest room. Don't let them feed you to the sharks, oh no, no.
Been together for a while now, growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt I will stay with you as each morning brings a sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On my love and you can rely. I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark comes, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you.
Baby, I rock on. Yes, baby, I'm coming over to spend some time with you. I'm getting off my phone, I'm wasting no more time, baby. I'm coming over to spend some time with you. I'm turning off my phone so we can both unwind, baby. Chain reaction of the heart, up and passion, then give off an explosion. Something we both have never experienced before. Yo, universal mind, you look deep in my eyes, then call me master. Our destiny became one when we both collide. Spend some time with you. I'm getting off my phone, I'm wasting no more time, baby. I'm coming over to spend some time with you. I'm turning off my phone so we can both unwind, baby. A little tenderness I bring, good loving until I discover secret fantasies you try to hide. Yeah. You whisper in my ears and say, touch me right here. I feel you shaking. Now I can see clearly what your soul really look like. Yeah. I'm coming over to spend some time with you. I'm getting off my phone, I'm wasting no more time, baby. I'm coming over to spend some time with you. I'm turning off my phone so we can both unwind, baby. Days turn to weeks and weeks turn to months and months turn to years, and that is so long. If loving you is wrong, that's where I stand, girl.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronixx. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Whenever you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.
Oh, I father who art in Zion. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in Zion. Give I this day, I daily bread. And forgive I trespasses. As I forgive them who trespass against I. Lead I not to no temptation. But deliver I from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory. For Irae and Ivor, Jah.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronixx. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile.
Smile for me, Jamaica, Lord. Hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss. Of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I say, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh, my. That she asks me, and this I want me say,
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Tell them, say, what they gonna do when enough of them not true? Say what they gonna do, them get slow, yeah. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world. As bad as you think you are, we're living in a small world. As tough as you think you are, we're living in the one of them. Alright, that day will come when I shall stand and see all those wicked men in the fire getting burned. That day will come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day will come when I shall see they handing over bombs and bayonets and bullets and guns. That day will come when Emperor Selassie shall rise the world again to youth and promote the Islam, yeah. And the day I would love to see their face for all those people they do to the human race and try to take things out of place, run away to space, shoot them in the air. Whoa. After one judgment you are gonna get the taste when them find out that them can't escape. Sadness they send on the people them trace. Smile on my face. That day will come when I shall stand and see all those wicked men in the fire getting burned. That day will come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day will come when I shall see they handing over bombs and bayonets and bullets and guns. That day will come when Emperor Selassie shall rise the world they get to do them out of this. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world.
Me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they a cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where them get them starting. But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday we see them take a boat out. North Coast Resort and car dealership. The construction company, them just don't legit. Usually wash the money, turn it round and hide it. When the kickback them come in, the government delighted. So police cancel operation, cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face too. Was about to buy a next 60 now. Maybe then I never have to be a prisoner. Maybe then I coulda not turned in my firearm. Police couldn't come remand, come me like me run an army. Was about to be a politician too. Maybe then I coulda make any decision. Look, maybe then I make 100 million disappear. Then me act like me no care what you bought me back in there. Because it's a reality. In a Jamaica say your status or your salary. Man, the road that carry one whole heap of felony. But them have a family, a boost up the economy. So, police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. what you see no really is you. Then you want the is out of money, but
Rastafari.
It's the African baddest DJ, DJ Sedan.
Alright, times get tough again. Bread now no butter then. No this mean all handgun and long rifle a go for then. The streets now no governing. It's a free for all, can't get peace at all. Soul a fly well like a Peter Paul. See it's all clear and evident. Caused by the decadence. CIA intelligence, no Netflix have the evidence. And man a shoot pastor in a church. Man a shoot father in picnic school. Some different man a set the rules. Hey, man's a fuck. No one sing about them thing ya. Well man can't even manage put them garbage in a bin ya. Food box out a car window. I clog up the drain. And when the flooding start, the government them get the blame. My brothers, it is a shame. More time we feel embarrassed to be part of this generation causing all these havoc. Man, and what that a man wouldn't even care about him offspring. Bumble clap, stop singing.
I'm missing not another word. We're not go no further. What that they have won in the earth, yeah. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost their way. I'm missing not another word. We're not go no further. Your baby mother, you go murder. Revelation tell me so, I guess this is the end of day.
Hey, my virgin Protoje, there's so much more to say. All the place I run, I know we have to open breakers. When them come with them and just last. The youths I said they want to be. The bread of all them start to go to spot the youths I play. I'm not on the basic school, they mean a duty day. So only for the kids that not go see another day. That all who not turn a blind eye, them a turn the other way.
Even if the sky is falling down, walk through the fire, through the flames. Baby, I can be your driver. Drive you anywhere you want to. I can be your soldier. Yes, I'ma fight for you. Fight for your love like whoa. Fight for your love like girl. If you give your heart to me, it's alright. I won't treat you like them other guys. With me, you are safe. Take me to your secret place. I just wanna slide into your ocean, dive in. We gon' make a big commotion, vibe in. Yeah, you love the vibe. Never knew love like this before. 'Cause if you're lost on your way, I'ma find you. And if you cry out for help, I'ma hear you. And if it's time that you need, I'll give you love and affection. Oh, baby, I can be a driver. Drive you anywhere you want to.
Rastafari, Rastafari.
Won't you come on home? 'Cause I'm missing you. If I could get the chance again, promise to never ever break your heart, darling. Baby, one more kiss would satisfy. Just know I never meant to hurt you, and I don't wanna live my life without you and me forever. Do you remember what you told me? I wanna get back to the way things were before, but never know what you got till it's gone. So when you got something good, better hold on tight. Never know what you got till it's gone. So when you got something good, hold on tight. This time I'll always put you first. Baby, without you there's no me and it hurts. What I gotta do, baby? Just tell me what I gotta do. Let me just come over. Stop playing, don't tell me it's over. Just let me prove to you that our love is true. You and me forever. Do you remember what you told me?
feel. Touching you would make me feel. But if I take that chance right now, tomorrow will you want me still? Tomorrow will you love me still? Oh, so I should keep this to myself and never let you go. I could fall in love with you. Oh, baby. And I could fall in love with you. Oh, baby.
I am RuffTop Irae. I'm in the never tell you no lie. Things were going on into the world, I know it make anybody cry. Too much and we use them and get gunned down in the streets. Oh, broken homes, no food to eat. You woulda think with all these guns they a yard politician woulda treat the people them right. Why the youths them killing off them one another every day like them don't got no vision, much less sight. This same man them who you get up on a par with. This same man them who set up your life. While the system a terrorize the people, and all of them say don't turn in a blind eye. It's like them said up in no who feel frightened. Robbing the 9 to 5, them not touch the banker. And then you wonder why the place it's so stifled. Things not go change until people take a stand. Cause where there is no unity, you won't find no strength. I come with build bridges, broke down the fence and show more love. Show each other love. The crime and the violence that don't make sense, it only break down the community, causing us precious life. Check it out. Hey, just open up and believe. Just open up to believe. Hear me when I say, why are you afraid of what people say? Open up your heart, got to play your part, search for a better way. Hey, why are you afraid of facing your fears? Got to free your mind, face the test of time. It's better when you pray. Start with the man in the mirror, asking for a better tomorrow. Turn to him and say that I can make a difference if I try. And what the devil saying, it's a lie. It's not over till it's over. Spread your wings and fly, yeah. Self-reliance, higher science. Rasta putting up resistance and we surely are go show defiance. Ain't breaking up though we not cheap appliance. Tell them unity and strength can make we form alliance. Too much bad mind amongst ourselves, yeah. Stress no good for you, yeah. Mankind never make me sober, so we search for the wealth, yeah. Start with the man in the mirror, asking for a better tomorrow. Turn to him and say that I can make a difference if I try. And what the devil
got so sick of being broken down. Then one day, Jaja bring you my way. After all the long nights alone, it was when I finally let go and put more action in the faith of none. So can't look down, have to stay up, even when reality seems so rough. Don't let the past become the present. Live in the now and learn from the lessons. Then come rain, then sunshine. Just moving through the cycles of life. In our hearts and in our minds, gotta keep the balance in line. Then come rain and then sunshine. Just moving through the cycles of life. In our hearts and in our minds, gotta keep the balance in line. Every time, all the time, all the time. Every time, every time.
High times, low times, got to plant that seed of love. Make you glow, let it show. Makes me wanna hold you close. The vibes where you bring, it is a win-win. I see you as my everything. One leap of talking, so you find the right thing. No one here confirming. Love you from my heart, girl. Whoa. You always in my thoughts, yeah. Whoa. You know we're blessed by Jah.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
My baby's gone and left me with just a note saying that she's sorry, but she just can't cope. This one really shook me up. It's not a joke. Got me rolling a spliff and I don't even smoke. After all we've been through together, you're gonna turn your back, walk away, and leave everything that we worked so hard to build. Just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that.
Rastafari, Rastafari,
Just not
Rastafari.
enough. I need more than that. I'd rather you change your mind and come right back. Girl, things will get better. It's a fact. But I want you to believe in us and just relax, baby. After all that we've been through together, you're gonna turn your back on me, walk away, and leave everything that we worked so hard to build. Just like that, just like that.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
And it's a Protoje, eh? Chronixx are where you say, eh? Okay.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
When me see Jah, me see a way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy, I say, hey. Every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then me read a chapter daily. Man, they in a city hungry and no eat. And food they down a country, just a drop off of the tree then. You see, say poverty no real then. Is what the reason revealing.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves, yeah.
When the rain, pizza pot on the roof. Herb just a steam, pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude. So go tell the regime them can't stop what we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the shaping blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
Why? Original new roots once again, gang, 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 gang.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
Oh yeah, yeah. Reggae vibes music alongside BRO. Recordar es volver a vivir. Y anoche soñé contigo. Soñé que estabas conmigo y como hacías mi corazón latir. Recordar es volver a vivir. Y anoche soñé contigo. Soñé que estabas conmigo y como hacías mi corazón latir. Como tú no había otra igual, tú eras mi guial, con quien yo volaba sin dimensionar. Me sentí especial, casi espacial, desde las nubes a lo sideral, yeah. Lo que parecía perfecto tenía virtudes, pero también defectos. Si hubiéramos estado en el mismo contexto, el libro habría quedado abierto. Recordar es volver a vivir. Y anoche soñé contigo. Soñé que estabas conmigo y como hacías mi corazón latir. Recordar es volver a vivir. Y anoche soñé contigo. Soñé que estabas conmigo y como hacías mi corazón latir.
Don't go far away, boy.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
After time, I can't help but wonder how did we get here? In the room so deep, and I can't comprehend the intensity of this loving. Don't have to say a word, you know just like you leave when you're miles away. I can't take it, I can't take it.
I used to date this girl, I thought she was so fly, till the lie detector test determined that was a lie. Hey shorty, are you kidding? Is that how you treat a guy? Shorty tried to play me, oh I had to say bye-bye. When she broke my heart to pieces, I thought I was gonna die. And then you came along and then you lifted me to the sky. And I thought, what the heck, why don't I give it a try? Cause you're nothing like those other girls. Na 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 diggy diggy ding dang, oh yo yeah. Oh baby. Oh girl, you're like a special rose in heaven's garden.
Rastafari,
love Rastafari, every morning. Yeah, baby, it's you, baby, it's you. You alone and only you. Believe me, it's true when I say I do. It's you, baby, it's you, baby, it's you. You alone and only you. I'm planning a dinner for two with me in the booth. It's you. Hey man, I used to date this girl. I thought she was so fly till the lie detector test determined that was a lie. that how you treat a guy? Shorty tried to play me over, had to say bye-bye. When she broke my heart to pieces, I thought I was gonna die. And then you came along and then you lifted me to the sky. And I thought, what the heck, why don't I give it a try? Cause you're nothing like those other girls, and I ain't gonna lie. It's you, baby, it's you. You alone and only you. Believe me, it's true. When I say I do, it's you. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. You alone and only you. I'm planning dinner for two with me in the booth. It's you.
We fire burn all troublemaker. Tell all who bad, second greater. The universe and the equator. We shake them with a wicked generation. The vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are born right now. You worship evil, burn them right now. And the pagan blaze the fire right now. Generation of vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are born right now. You worship evil, burn the fire right now. And the pagan blaze the fire right now. Them a kill lady, them a kill baby. Them a work for Sedan, for chicken and gravy. Them a worship evil and a kill all people. From your work for the devil, them must be savior. Generation of vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are born right now. You worship evil, burn them right now. And the pagan blaze the fire right now. Generation of vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are born right now. You worship evil, burn the fire right now. And the pagan blaze the fire right now.
Black man living in a perilous time. Got to strengthen your heart and your mind. Living in a perilous time. Can't afford to be left way behind. Living in a perilous time. That's the way that the system designed. Living in a perilous time. Still them can't stop the people from shine. Yeah. Got to make it while the sun shine. Yeah. Love is a solution, so me burn crime. Yeah. Got to make it while the sun shine. Yeah. Live up to the fullest every time.
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be your sunshine in the rain? Smile so different, not the same. Beautiful energy, I entertain. Gonna be the safe space on your brain. I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile, baby. Is that okay? Let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You know I'll be waiting. Come on, girl. Yeah. In my arms, this is the place that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready to keep you warm.
DJ Sedan.
Living in love, we connect it up, we carry on. Yeah, yeah. Can you be my baby? Y'all you me want, and nobody no match up to you. Enough of them a try, but none of them no catch up to you. Need you in my life, and me I tell you it's up to you. Can you be my baby? My forever baby. Me girl, some of them a try, but them don't face me. You have what it takes me, drive me crazy. Just give me a date, and me a pull up a gate. Candle light, then I set it at 8. No light, let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You know I'll be waiting. Come on, girl. Yeah. Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
How can I explain to you, baby? There's no dictionary in the world that I can find. Few words can't explain. So I write a song for you from the bottom of my heart. I just wanna say I love you, girl. Yeah. Girl, you're pretty like a bed of roses. First of the morning dew. Oh yeah. Bright like the sun that converts in morning. Yeah. That's so beautiful on you. How can I explain to you, baby? There's no dictionary in the world that I can find. Few words can't
get into my head. I got to stand firm, yeah. Strange things, they bring in the pain. I guess I suppose that them I confirm that the system is hard, but all me know say Babylon is over. Yes, I see judgments rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. My people no watch no face, no cause we are sent for born pagan, yeah. Cause even in Africa people are scared, that's why them a get rid of puppet and fake. Men, this is judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. And contemplating we bless, it's hard so cold, there's plus 30 in your face. Cause if you drop a duck when getting up, you better make case, or else your foe gonna step in your space. And if you can't keep up the kids, it's gonna step in your place. Cause it's a game with the filthy rich win. You pay, it's a one from African people were slaves. Take your precaution, I send you can't save. Yes, I see judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. My people no watch no face, no cause we are sent for born pagan, yeah. Cause even in Africa people are scared, that's why them a get rid of puppet and fake. Men, this is judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah.
Big Shang alongside Bala Nasha, Tarrus Riley, Fast Production.
Hey, DJ Sedan.
Diamonds and gold, that's all that they know. Just like ice, their hearts are so cold. Hey, war and hate is all that they sow. Who's gonna save the soul before time is done? That's so good.
But if them know what them is, said them lost them way. Nobody not care again, a pay gun play. Every youth have a mat to talk up in a them ways. No more laughing again, be a screw face. Me I want them, and me I tell them fi calm. Before Judge a blow his song. All them leaders, we tricky people like Judas, and lead them all astray.
Diamonds and gold, that's all that they know. Just like ice, their hearts are so cold. War and hate is all that they sow. Who's gonna save the soul before time is done? That's so.
Yo, this is a message to the Chronixx.
Why did the innocent keep dying? Why did the innocent keep crying? Why did the government keep lying?
Missy brother shit, man a dead. Street getting at a metal getting red. Babylon corrupt and make the youths now all a mates. Time is getting harder and the place is getting checked. Yeah, Babylon a kill innocent youth and the broadcast media them a hide up the truth. And every day when we listen on the news, a innocent losing life in a gunplay shoot. Life not sweet like Nestle tea. One thing me know, things not come for free. Tell myself that me must achieve as me wake up. Money is the prey. You know go hear me rap, nobody man tough like Mike Tyson and Muhammad Ali. But when me touch my island, me kick it and me rally. But me tell you personally and finally, in the heart of the ghetto no sweet, like when you win in the lotto. Friend where you grow with a plan with the enemy, just out to kidnap you. Careful of who them round you, them same one turn round and watch you. Red eye people want your things, don't give them and them chat you. We need a change right now. You know see how much money in a jail right now. Innocent are dead by the hands of the pumper. And if you don't firm, missing blood a shed, man a dead. Street getting hotter and the metal getting red. Babylon corrupt and make the youths now all a mates. Time is getting harder and the place is getting jet. Babylon a kill innocent youth and the broadcast media them a hide up the truth. And every day when we listen on the news, a innocent losing life in a gunplay shoot. Life not sweet like Nestle tea. One thing me know, things not come for free. Tell myself that me must achieve as me wake up. Money is the prey. We need a change right now. You know see how much money in a jail right now. Innocent are dead by the hands of the pump. And if you don't firm, then we tell you.
Oh, I father who art in Zion. All kingdom come.
Me now have no money. As you ask me, you think me for running. And you all laugh like you think ain't funny. Me not even weak, man. Give me a break, man. Me now have no money. As you ask me, you think me for running. And you all laugh like you think ain't funny. Look how much you owe me. It better you love me, love me, love me, love me. Why you think say your problems bigger than for me? Me never see you yet, and you have nothing to give me. And every time me ask what you want to deal with, I just nothing I go on, you see me. Me can't afford to give you every time. Cause right now, me don't have a dime. The time you sit down on the corner lurks, just go and go look at work. Me not have no money. As you ask me, you think me for running. And you all laugh like you think ain't funny. Me not even weak, man. Give me a break, man. Me now have no money. As you ask me, you think me for running. And you all laugh like you think ain't funny. Look how much you owe me. You better you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me.
Why? Still Why? Amazing. Mama banana, baby, I'm buying. Why? Yes.
Rastafari, Rastafari.
The city can't calm this feel like God now. Rain in a Babylon, see every youth got gone. I've seen what these streets become. Oh my Lord, say what we gonna do about this when everything on the shelf gone so expensive. High prices and tax, the gas hike so big. This couldn't be the right way to live. Yes, and when me check the news, I just blah blah blah. Politicians them attack, them love to blah blah blah. Propaganda them a spread and them a blah blah blah. When the youths them a dead, I just blah blah blah. Watch out for the traitor, yeah, cause them a blah blah blah. I prove say them a selfie and a blah blah blah. Them a some narcissist devil, them a blah blah blah. When the youths them a dead, them a blah blah. From paycheck to paycheck, kitchen table issue. Broke pocket, empty kitchen, all no done that too. No see the basic commodities, no know what we do. My sister touch the road, can hustle. Cause when man try and sit down and wait for come true. And it pain you the struggle a punch you down too. It's amazing the way we live. Guess it what but what it costs, we got nothing to lose. Yes, and when me check the news, I just blah blah blah. Politicians them attack, them love to blah blah blah. Propaganda them a spread and them a blah blah blah. When the youths them a dead, I just blah blah blah.
Be careful of the road where you walk. Don't ever sell out no day. Earth your sunken dollars. Yeah. My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me out. I'll never switch my breath and go on alone. The struggle is hard, don't live in a doubt. Make yourself proud. My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me. Me rather live life my way. Things I can't afford can stay. I'm in a frightened for Friday. No, most things I don't have I can live without. Came in this world with nothing, gonna live without. I won't sell my soul, holding my ground. No frightened fever, I got dirty money, throw it out. I know everything will glisten or gold. I know every opportunity will come and go good. No, you have to expect the unexpected sometimes. I just a lifestyle. My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me out. I'll never switch my breath and go on alone. The struggle is hard, don't live in a doubt. Make yourself proud. My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me. Me rather live life my way. Things I can't afford can stay. I'm in a frightened for Friday.
Don't live above your means, never put your heart where you can't reach it. And if I want slice of bread and butter, go and eat it. Life is the ultimate, cherish and keep it. Some say them rich should be surprised to know the secret. Money change people, do the piece of paper. Not mixed up in a pure evil. Lost them way, gone astray. Vanity shall fade away.
My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me out. I'll never switch my breath and go on alone. The struggle is hard, don't live in a doubt. Make yourself proud. My life and my riches. No amount of money can buy me. Me rather live life my way. Things I can't afford can stay. I'm in a frightened for Friday.
It's going wrong. You know more time you feel like you can't go on. Like, you just don't believe in yourself. I mean, the world is out there. just try. Endless possibilities of what I could be. I'm going down in mystery. Everyone's proud of me. What a legacy. I'm doing it for the world to see. I won't ever stop being great. I won't give up. We've made it through the roughest days. What does it take from you to try and spread your wings? Soar above the skies. Where there is darkness, there is light that illuminates your eyes. Live your dreams. Greatness lies inside. It lives in you and I. If you not work hard, you will not get paid. Never ever showcase your talent. Put your fears away. Oh, nobody make your moment pass, or you'll be forgotten. So work hard on your dreams. Try to put your all in what you believe. Try and spread your wings. Soar above the skies. Where there is darkness, there is light that illuminates your eyes. Live your dreams. Greatness lies inside. It lives in you and I. Listen, youths. Shine bright, you're a star. Let us protect our youths. Never let them hold you down. They are the future. Shine bright, you're a star. Whoa, whoa. Never let them hold you down.
Victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only that I know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Sleepless nights under pressure, got a lot on my mind. But will life be without all the struggles of mine? Can't sleep, some esteem trees for peace of mind. I can't sleep, but these sweet dreams do ease my mind. I say, what's success without a little sacrifice? With every downfall, yes, you have to have a rise. Time the world to lose your soul, no, but not gonna pay that price. God forgive thanks for life, the morning sun, that's so
victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only that I know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Positively clear when I light up on my chalwa. Tell us selfish ways when I go beg them for no sponsor. Cramming on my red will always try to pull you under. Pagans try to break you, wanna kill you, make you stronger. Play my thoughts with a little meditating. Out of nothing, opportunities creating. King Selassie, I don't stop, I get the praising. For eternity, we keep the fire.
Victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we are.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
Hey, DJ CJ.
Levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. The medication makes me high.
Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like where they are right down. The way you're something off it off your way by pound. In a fields of marijuana, that is my playground.
I love you, Mary Jane.
You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, me can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. And you know the people damage like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave
them lonely, feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain. Your effect is so potent, it's so insane. You so gummy and sticky like a plaster stain. When you grind out your body, only stems remain. And to love you is so risky, I might get detained. Always keep me flying on the highest plane. And anybody know will always proclaim.
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just the passion, I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation, your medication makes me high.
Just give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity. No frightened for anything, so them can't use longer to catch me. Whenever you hear me sing, up from me yard to the top of the chart, and that's why we hail the king. Cause you give me everything.
No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for claim. So them must step up in a life. Them do anything for go trim, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for get a like. And them do anything cause them claim so that it's all about survival. Anything is like a money or the mind. Like the world is getting sick cause everybody want go viral. The meditation it's a primal. Hey, no for them stand up for nothing. It's like them on a spinal. No them on an arrival. They make cripples, we make tidal. Try to kill the spirit, but we have the revival. I know bad mind I kill them. Call that the reprisal.
Give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity. No frightened for anything, so them can't use longer to catch me. Whenever you hear me sing, up from me yard to the top of the chart, so me I feel hail the king. Cause you give me everything.
I can't count the times I'ma say what's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd said, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been running. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know.
Hey, DJ Sedan.
The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. There's something about the kiss, girl, you did me in, got me thinking.
Rastafari, Rastafari, Rastafari.
And I've been feeling. Oh, this time you. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got all of me. I belong to you. You're my everything.
You're so insecure. Can't bother with this. Can't take the quarrel, tired of the fuss and fight. But if you gotta go, I'ma be alright. Alright. Yes, I'm okay, baby. Cause if you're leaving, there is the open door. Cause I don't wanna hurt no more. You're so insecure. And if you're going, girl, what are you waiting for? I've been through this before. Can't take it anymore.
talk, say them get bun me a chat. It's not like say me can't get none. The girl a bun me like a bakery. She's been another man's baby. I know seeing is believing, but she always assuming that I'm with somebody else. She say I'm not giving her enough time. Baby girl, you wanna leave? I'll be fine, yeah. 'Cause if you're leaving, there is the open door. 'Cause I don't wanna hurt no more. You're so insecure, and if you're going, girl, what are you waiting for? I've been through this before. Can't take it anymore. Baby girl, I'm thinking about you. Girl, I'm so empty without you. I never doubt you. Just wanna be around you. Wanna be around you. Whenever I need you, to care and keep you. I just wanna hold and squeeze you. Girl, you know I miss you so much. I really need your touch, yeah. Baby, give me your love. Give me your love, girl. I will be there each and every time, yeah. So give me your love. Give me your love, girl. I will be there to comfort you with time, oh yeah. Kiss you like 1,000 times, love you like 1,000 times, and I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times, and I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired of you. Girl, me say me and you is like a dream come true. We standing firm now move because we loving each other. We are win now lose. That's why you me choose. It's like a deja vu. We do it over and over again. Oh, you want so genuine. Love man see you out the road and try a thing. This I love you now, don't it never run out, that expiring. Baby girl, your love inspiring. 1,000 times, love you like 1,000 times, and I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times, and I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired of you.
Reaping fruit from these seeds I sow on this journey of life. I know the blessing them I pile up. The blessing them I pile up. Thinking back on how far we've come, counting miracles one by one. The blessing them I pile up. The blessing them I pile up. Then say man a plan, got a wife, so we now go understand everything we're happening in our life. Sometimes it's not easy, sometimes we fail, but we have to move on. Cause eventually you will see everything we manifesting at the earth was meant to be. So go on, live righteous, although it's hard. You will get your reward. Reaping fruit from these seeds I sow on this journey of life. I know the blessing them I pile up. The blessing them I pile up. Thinking back on how far we've come, counting miracles one by one. The blessing them I pile up. The blessing them I pile up.
You ready? See you having a good time out front right there. Put your flags up. Put your hands up. If you're having a good time, I wanna see the lighters. Wanna see the hands waving in the crowd right now. Hey, now everybody say yeah. From you feel good. Don't let them rock your vibe. Hip hip hooray. I know you feel good. We're gonna party tonight. Just say yeah. From you feel good. Don't let them rock your vibe. Just say yeah. Just say yeah. Drinks in your hand, money in your pocket. The vibes too sweet, you know say nothing can stop it. The energy turn up, you know say nothing can drop it. And when them think them have a space, we taking off like a rocket. When them things are done, I warm, we are warm. We nice up, you know we keep going on and on and on. More I hear the people sound the alarm. Everybody say yeah. From you feel good. Don't let them rock your vibe. Hip hip hooray. I know you feel good. We're gonna party tonight. Just say yeah. From you feel
shorter under your son. So give thanks to the little when he come. Me got me daughter, me got me son. Me have to hustle up for them, me have to buckle up. Got to set an example, let them overcome. Make sure them not drafting no gun. Hey, we never plan to fail, some fail to prevail. Adjust so life go. Keep on pushing and pushing again. Let the hammer hit the nail. Adjust so life go. Some people know why you rise again. Thinking evil in the middle. Adjust so life go. Everyone got their ups and downs. The world is a cycle. Just so life go. Sometimes you feel empty. Way deep inside, I feel a struggle down in my bones. The harvest is plenty. It took a while for me to rise and stand on my own. Them say me not too friendly. See them set up roadblock to offend me. Them a run in when it thing get plenty. None of them never there so feel me. We never plan to fail, some fail to prevail. Adjust so life go. Keep on pushing and pushing again. Let the hammer hit the nail. Adjust so life go. Some people know why you rise again. Thinking evil in the middle. Adjust so life go. Everyone's got their ups and downs. The world is a cycle. Show themselves.
Music is life for I and I. So when I'm down, I play a good song. You and your negative vibes around me now working. I hope this feeling does last for a little while. Coming off a nice time for so long. Catch a vibe, just watch out for bad my name lurking. Ready for broke your vibes again. Full of meds, love your life, it's a gift, yeah. Get the meds, grind it up, full of spliff, yeah. Do something now, we make you enjoy life. A girl fly away, take a trip, yeah. On the beach, see the water, take a dip, yeah. Do something now, we make you enjoy life. And stop carry feelings, girl. I'm steady, holding firm. But you want another tip, so what you did is don't even know you no more. You move. Now you should wear it. Oh, baby. One more time. Please wear that red dress again. Take me back to the beginning. I love to watch you in it, and I'll cherish every minute. Wear that red dress.
It's DJ Sedan.
Now listen, baby, I'll do anything just to see you. Come dance on it, darling. Throw on some heels, girl. Anyone will do. 'Cause there's no way they look better than you. Please wear the red dress again. Take me back to the beginning. Love to watch you in it, and I cherish every minute. Wear that red dress again, girl.
Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go. It's the African baddest DJ.
Look how much time you say you're leaving, I me never beg you come back. When me uneasy, girl, you never give me comfort. But now you want me back again. So you see me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that. Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end, so why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend, them a be a paparazzi. Once it you can't find nobody out there to match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me. You regret say you catch me. I told you see me move on now. Me and my new friend I get with groove on now. I'm comfortable in whose arm now. You want to know? I bet you want to know. Alright then, you build fake pages and I try to reach out. Things about me new girl you want to seek out. When me buy yard, when me carry yard, when me gone with her, when me far you take it far. So why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend them a be a paparazzi. Once it you can't find nobody out every match me. That's why you still a watch me.
Hey, girl, I wish I didn't meet you. I really wish I could forget your name. Wish I didn't have to see you. These are my pain, but I need you. You are like the air I breathe. I wish that I could live without you, but you're what beats inside of me. Ooh, baby, that's why I hate you more than anything in this world. 'Cause I think I love you too much. I hate you more than anything in this world. But you know I love you for life. Whatever comes your way, I will be there for you. Whether night or day, I will be there for you. Good and bad times, laughing or crying, I will be by your side. You can count on me. I will be there for you. You are not alone. You got a friend in me for life, yeah. This world could be so cruel. I promise to help you see the light through dark times when you feel so low. Know that I got you. Me, I go be different to tell you, follow, look it up in your teeth. Me, now go do like me no see it. Whatever comes your way, I will be there for you. Whether night or day, I will be there for you. Good and bad times, laughing or crying, I will be by your side. You can count on me. I will be there for you. Yeah. Big up the man, them straight. The whole I wanna walk from there. Call for me, I come no delay. Worship your body, God make you for me. Big up the man, them, yeah. Your ratings up there, but they stay all high with you all the way. Me love you, that can't change. Big up the man, them from town and from country. Me love off your brown skin, love off the black man, them. Broke pocket or rich boys, so seal one for half them. Me just a praise you, so bust up your blank them. Royalty, me wish every man could live like a king. Me sorry for the one, them don't a GP. Some a who no innocent, some a who no guilty. But me still a big up the man, them straight. The whole I wanna walk for me. God, for me, I come no delay. Worship your body, God make you for me. Big up the man, them, yeah. Your ratings up there, but they stay all high. I'm with you all the way. The love you that can't change.
Yeah. You know me back out there, no crow. Yeah, baby, and son, you. You play a bonnet for no trip from. Oh. You know me back out there, no crow. Yeah, baby, and son, you. You play a bonnet for no trip from. Pressure, I'm out pressure. Me dear woman, I'm in sub-vacancy. I'm out here, mommy pressure. I'm out here, mommy pressure. I'm out here, mommy pressure. Me dear woman, I'm in sub-vacancy. I'm out here, mommy pressure. Crew, yeah, baby, and son, you. They are play about you for no trip from. Oh. You know me back at the no crew. Yeah, baby, and son, you. They are play about you for no trip from. Every day to Jah I pray to bless me every day. Man, and see me, yeah. This is my little prayer. Hello, leave me alone. Hello, leave me alone. Am I opium, mommy pressure? Am I opium, mommy pressure? Media woman, I'm in sub-vacancy. Am I opium, mommy pressure? Am I opium, mommy pressure? Am I opium, mommy pressure?
I know a little girl. She had a story, but she didn't fear to tell. Yeah, life is now a living hell. Oh, yeah. Somebody took her pride. She living in a isolation, so she coil up in a shell. Yeah, girl about mama. Somebody stealing our privacy, oh mama. Somebody took away our dignity, oh mama. Somebody took away our pride, oh yeah. Mama. All she needs is justice, yeah. Oh bim bro. She don't wanna be alone, no. Oh bim bro.
It's DJ Sedan. Let's go.
She said Uncle Ben had a friend called Glenn. Glenn took her pride at the age of 10. And since then, everything been a nightmare. Thinking of it makes she cry tear. Oh. She has a smile on her face, but she always cries inside. All she needs is some justice. Somebody stole her pride. Oh, mama. Somebody stealing her privacy. Oh, mama. Somebody took away her dignity. Oh, mama. Somebody took away her pride. Oh, yeah. Mama.
I feel the pain. Even get worse when I'm calling. No one was there for me. Them no good cause them gone bad from morning. No one was there. And I know how Humpty felt when it go wrong. When there was no one there to help, they turned and looked around. It feels like eggs just splash in your face. It feels like you are being replaced. And that's how hypocritical vibes, as close as a brother said, you're bitchy line. Watch how you choose your friend. This time something bad might happen right there down the line. But when we are care and share, we no ask for trust. But no dirty life, we no want with us. Now let in bad mind, them too contagious. It's a good thing the most I watch out. I feel the pain. It even gets worse when I'm calling. No one was there for me. Them no good cause them gone bad from morning. Yeah.
Don't give me a reason to want you down and seek you out. Don't think I'm sleeping. I'm wide awake. take my pride. I'm the lion in the jungle. You should know let sleeping's lions life. They try. No matter what they do, can't take my crown. They try. Yes, I know they still can't. She gone. Me love you so much. Yo, guess what? Guess what? Girl, me love you like how Bob Marley love ganja. Me love you like how Rasta man love Jah. And you must be one be the only passenger. Me a the carrot in a your dream. Me just a get feel love her, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? As me just a get feel love her, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? She come out of me house and gone. Feel like me pocket them run out of can. Up on me birthday, this girl ya gone. She gone. Well, we been through earthquake, thunder plus storm. Hungry belly days when nothing a gone. No time, no food, never depend the farmer. She still never leave my arms. But as she start ball with the girl done, start mugging up, say her hotness a gone. Every night the friend man a blow car on. But she a go sorry, yes you me a one. As me just a get feel over, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? As we just a get feel over, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? My girl, no make nobody tell you if you run left your man. I grudge you wanna mash up your plan. The house up for you and the title in your hand. Oh, where you gone? Come back, woman. I don't know what from school days, long time and I look it. From your play football on the bench as a rookie. When the two of we a roll, see my dung like Dutch. You know she pack up her clothes and take the cat and left the puppy. Just I get feel over, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? As me just I get feel over, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? Me love you like a Bob Marley love ganja. Me love you like a Rasta man love Jah. And you must be one be the only passenger. And me a the carrot in a your ginger. Me love you like a Bob Marley love ganja. Me love you like a Rasta man love Jah. And you must be one be the only passenger. And me a the carrot in a your ginger. She gone. As me just a get feel over, she gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? Just a get feel over, she gone. She gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? She come out of me house and gone. Feel like me pocket them run out of can. Up on me birthday, this girl a gone. She gone. Well, we been through earthquake, thunder plus storm. Hungry belly days when nothing a gone. No time, no food, never depend the farmer. She still never leave my arms. And she start war with the girl down. Start buckle up so your hot miss a gone. Baby friend man a blow up your hand. She a go serious so me a want. Just a get to love her. To me heart, to me soul reggae vibes. Me love this girl, yeah, me love her.